Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this headband wig. So if y'all want to see how I did it, make sure y'all keep watching. Okay y'all, so before I start, I want to go ahead and show you guys everything that you're going to need to complete this headband wig. So you need a head wrap, and this is a 2-pack. I got some plastic caps, wig cap, and now you can use this wig cap, you can use like the dome mesh cap, you know, the caps that they use to make wigs with. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's a cap that you can put your hair onto, okay? Some hair glue. Again, some people like to use hot glue guns, some people like to sew their hair in. Whatever is your preference, that's what you need, you know. Some velcro, needle and thread, and of course you need some hair. And I'm using the Shake and Go Organique straight hair, and it's the color 130. Now, when choosing the hair for this headband wig, you want to make sure that you get a hair color that is the color of your hair, okay? When I went to the store, I was going to get a number 4, which is the color of my natural hair. And then I just got to thinking like, it's probably not gonna look right, because when I lay my edges down, my edges are gonna be red, and I'm gonna have all this black hair in the back of my head. I would have been looking crazy. So, like I said, you want to get the color of your hair. You want to get the weave in the color of your hair, all right? And that's it. So I'm gonna start with slicking my edges down first. I'm gonna go ahead and do those off camera because I don't know how long it's gonna take. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do those off camera, and then I'll be back. Yeah, that was a job. My arms hurt. It's probably been like 15 minutes since I went to go tie my hair down. That's how long it took me to slick this little bit of hair down in the front. And I am tired. So first you want to start with one of your head wraps. And you just want to take that head wrap, and at the seam right here, right there, you want to just go ahead and cut it. Okay, so now we got the wig cap cut. We're gonna go ahead and sew on a piece of velcro to each end of the head wrap. This is the velcro that I'm using, and this is just going to give me a little bit of room to tighten it up just a little bit if it like starts to get loose, or you know, I can either clip it right here or I can move it up a clip right there, you know, whichever way. So my needle and thread, I'm gonna go ahead and take the head wrap, I'm gonna fold it in half, and I'm gonna stick the velcro right there, and I'm just gonna sew a big X on it. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm sewing through both pieces of the folded head wrap. Okay, so we got the X right there and the X on this side, and then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side with the other piece of velcro. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my stocking cap, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna layer the head wrap over the stocking cap like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it and wrap it around. And so you see it's right on top of that thick band. I'm gonna go ahead and take a white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make a mark on the middle of the cap, the middle of the stocking cap and the middle of the head wrap. Just a little small mark. Okay, and then I'm gonna do one on the side right here, and then on the other side as well. Okay, And that way I can take this off and go ahead and make sure that it's stretched out enough to sew it on so that it fits around my head correctly. You'll see my line on the head wrap and the line on the stocking cap. This is going to be the outside of the cap. So on the inside, I'm going to sew right on the edge of the stocking cap, connecting the head wrap to it, okay? And I'm going to start in the middle so that as I stretch it around, it's going to match up on both lines. Okay, y'all, so this is looking crazy, but this is what it's looking like once I got everything sewn on, okay? This is the inside, so I've sewed it at. Okay, and so when I put it on, I got my 2 pieces hanging in the back. And make sure it's straight or even. They're right by my ears. And I'm able to take those 2 pieces and pull them back and clip them together. Okay, let's see. I was a little off, but let's see. But this is also gonna leave room up here, this little pocket right here, to cover up that last track when I get ready to add that last track up there, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put on a shower cap, or the plastic cap. And then I'm gonna add this back on top of this so that the glue does not stick to my hair. And I'm gonna pull it up just a little bit further than where I want it to lay at, because as I start gluing on the hair, the wig cap starts to slide with the plastic cap underneath of it. So you know, make sure it's even on both sides. Pull it up just a little bit further, and then I'm gonna make sure that this cap is pulled all the way up. You see the band right there? You know that that part is gonna fold back once you're done over that. See? So you can pull it up a little bit further, like I said. And now I'm just gonna start adding my tracks all the way up like that. All right. Alright y'all, so I took it off and I put it on my little mannequin head. And I know y'all probably like, didn't she say she had no mannequin head? But her head is not the same size as a regular mannequin head. Like her head, y'all see how like it come all the way down to like right here. Like it's just, her head is a lot smaller than my head, so I can't use her head as. Anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. So got her on here. I'm gonna let her. She actually looks really good so far. I'm gonna leave her on here for a while and let her dry. Make sure all those tracks are dried onto that stocking cap before I pull the shower cap off and put her on. And I also had to change my scarf because that silk scarf kept sliding, and it was like, it was still wet from the gel that I put on my hair to try to slick my hair down. So it wasn't really soaking up anything. And when I took the scarf off, like my hair still looked like it was in an afro. So I put on this cotton scarf and re-slicked the edges down, so hopefully they will be laying a little bit flatter now, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna let these dry for a little bit, and then when I come back, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on and go from there. All right, y'all, moment of truth. These edges gave me the blues. Look at that. It slicked down pretty good. Okay. Let me go ahead and have this stocking cap on top here before it starts to raise up. Okay, so I'm adding my stocking cap. Okay. I'm gonna pull the plastic cap out the inside. Okay. Okay. I got that fastened back there. Okay, so I could have added another track right here, but it's all good. You know, this piece is going to pull back and fold up over here. Okay, get that off of there. Okay. Yeah, I think this turned out so good. This is good for us to have TWAs. We can just slick down the front and pop this headband wig on. For women who just, you know, wear their hair back in a ponytail, they can just slide this over their ponytail and, you know, keep it on the go. You know, if you in between hairstyles, this would be good. And another thing, you can do this with any kind of hair. I also got this cheap red loose wave hair. I'm sorry, it's a ripple deep. And this was like just some like cheap hair at the beauty supplies. And so I'm gonna make another one using this hair. So like I said, you can use any kind of hair for this headband wig. And yeah, I got all this stuff from my local beauty supply. I got the hair, the stocking cap, the headbands, the thread and the needle, the shower caps, everything that I use in this video today I got from my local beauty supply. And I think what I might do is go get some of those hair combs that you can sew onto the cap, and then you know, stick it into your hair so that it'll make it a little more stable, because I feel like it keeps sliding back. That, and then I just showed you guys the other hair that I have. With that one, I probably use the mesh cap for that one and not the stocking cap. But with this, y'all, you can wear it down like this. You can wear it you can wear it up in a ponytail, and then you can also wear it like half up, half down, because the band, you know, covers up all the tracks all the way around. And then I got these cute little headbands from the beauty supply. And so you can just take these, you know, just to kind of switch it up, you know, maybe if you wanted to match your outfit, or, you know, just give it a different look or whatever. You can add these cute little headbands over the top of the band that's already there. Like that. I guess I should cover that up all the way, huh? Spread it out a little bit. There we go. Like that. Cute. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you are notified first when I post new videos. If you're not following me on Instagram, head over there and do so at simply.shon. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video.